Hello guys, today's topic is key concepts in biology. This is the first topic in GCSE Biology and I have referenced all the information from my school textbook, which is designed like a quick revision before the exam. So all my videos will be in a similar format. Before the video starts, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Animal cell. First, we will look at the different parts of the animal cell, and then we will go into detail about what each part does. First up, we have the cytoplasm, which are represented in a light blue color in this diagram. Then we have the cell membrane, which is the outer border. Next, we have the mitochondria, which is shown in a purple color. Following up, we have the nucleus. Finally, we have the ribosomes, which are pink in color. Now let's look at each part of the animal cell in detail. First up, we have the cytoplasm. This is a gel-like substance, so it has like the consistency of hand sanitizer that contains enzymes to catalyze reactions. So this is where chemical reactions take place in an animal cell. Next, we have the cell membrane. So this is the part of the cell that controls the different substances traveling into or out of the cell. It is semi-permeable, which allows for the chemicals to enter and exit. After that, we have the nucleus. Here, the job of the nucleus is to control the cell. So it's essentially the brains of the cell as a whole, and manage the activities of the cell while coding for proteins. Following up, we have the mitochondria. This is a site of respiration for the cell, and it's also where energy is released in order for the cell to function properly. And finally, we have the ribosomes. So this is where protein synthesis occurs. So where mRNA is translated into an amino acid chain. Now let's learn about the plant cell. The plant cell contains all the parts of the animal cell, so we don't have to memorize that. But we do need to learn 3 extra parts: the cell wall, chloroplast, and the permanent vacuole. So as I said earlier, plant cells contain all the parts of an animal cell, which include the cytoplasm, the mitochondria, the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the ribosome. The next part of the cell is the chloroplast, which is represented by the green circle. The large grey blob in the middle is the permanent vacuole, and the outer border is the cell wall. First up, we have the cell wall, which is made of cellulose. So the cell wall's job is to help support and strengthen the cell. Next, we have the chloroplast, which it is the site of photosynthesis, which contains chlorophyll and absorbs the light energy. Finally, we have the permanent vacuole. This contains cell sap to help keep the cell turgid, so strong, and they also contain sugars and salts in the solution. Thank you for watching. In this video, I have covered plant and animal cell, and in my next video, I'm going to cover bacterial cells and specialized cells. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Think Talk by Isan K.